You were mentioning the swallowing issues. I was wondering if there was similar something for sleep apnea issues we're seeing so much of.
Yeah, sleep apnea is another one that's so much on the increase, it's almost funny, you know. So my treatment for sleep apnea, step number one is get rid of the Wi-Fi router. You know, that's condition number one. And then number two is to lift the head end of the bed 15 centimeters. You know, you just put some bricks under the bed post and lift that up. The third one is grounding. You have to get a grounding pad. That's that start. And then in order to get the tissues to drain, to de-swell, you know, we use red root. You know, it's a tincture from BioPure that is phenomenal in creating lymphatic drainage, you know, to the area. And then we do the neural therapy. I inject the hell out of them. Well, I do, you know, and
in terms of like the neck and drainage and lymph drainage, or
the tonsils, the adenoids, the sinuses. It starts with that, you know, and then working our way down the neck, the thyroid injection, the stellate ganglion, the area along the sternocleidomastoid muscle, and most of the time it succeeds. Yeah, most of the time we can get people with sleep apnea to just be snorers, and then from snorers to not being snorers. You know, most of the time it succeeds. You know, it's very clear when you look at the statistics how sleep apnea has increased. There's only one human thing that has almost a complete correlation with it, and that's the increase of use of Wi-Fi in homes. Yeah, it's very clear that that's most. Yes, there is a connection with testosterone. Yeah, so it's become popular amongst men to use testosterone. Really for all the wrong reasons. You know, it's like, you know, you have Wi-Fi in the house that decreases your testosterone, and so then you take testosterone cream or injections or pellets, and that certainly increases snoring and sleep apnea. That there's a lot of studies on that, and so